So in the second part of the video, we are going to train a custom AI chatbot by transforming this standard AI chatbot into our knowledge database. So let's do it. Alright, we are always going to ask our user this question right here. Do you have any other question or not? If they don't have any question, we are done. So by simply connecting the no answer to our end. But what if they do have a question? So we are going to make a new node. Let's just name this node as AI knowledge base. And we are going to add a card. We are just going to add a single choice card, and we will going to ask question to the user, what would you like to know? Let's just say we add a raw input, so whatever the user want to ask, they can ask. And we are creating a variable name, let's just say question, in case if we need in the future. It is always a good to name our variables. Now, how can we turn this node into custom trained AI node that can answer our user's question? In order to do that, I'm going to come here and click this little button of knowledge base, add knowledge base. So now let's just rename this node by saying travel knowledge base, and you can write whatever description or persona you want to create, blah blah blah, whatever. And now the main part, we are going to add knowledge base source. So there are a bunch of knowledge base source like plain text, document, or your web search. We are going to do a web search. Here we have to enter website to search on, or a specific website. I have found this travel blog, the worldtravelguide.com. There's a bunch of travel guide. So I'm just going to press this domain travel guide and OK. We are done. In order to enable this knowledge database, I'm going to back to my main node, and in this knowledge database node, we have to turn on enable knowledge answering. So by enabling this, the AI knowledge database will collect the information from the website we have inputted and will pull up the answer asked by our users. But what if my knowledge base doesn't have the answer to the question? So basically I want to send them to an error message like, hey, sorry, I don't have an answer from that question. So in order to do that, I'm going to add an expression card here, and we are going to set a condition exclamation point turn dot knowledge agent dot responded. So it means that the knowledge database doesn't have the information about that question, and we are going to redirect it to the error node saying message error, and we are going to add a simple text box sending message to the user, I don't know the answer of that question.